Hey there, love detectives! Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel. Today we're ditching the cheesy pickup lines and wilting flowers. Instead, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of relationship psychology. We'll crack the code on making her genuinely obsessed with you, without ever appearing clingy or needy. Forget grand gestures. True connection lies in understanding the human mind. Here are some powerful techniques based on real psychology, not manipulation. 1. The mystery magnet. People are naturally drawn to mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Imagine yourself as a captivating novel. Don't lay out the entire plot in the first chapter. Keep certain aspects of your life intriguing, like a hidden chapter waiting to be discovered. This sparks her curiosity and makes her want to learn more about the fascinating puzzle that is you. Don't be afraid to share your passions, but leave some room for her to ask questions and piece together the story of you. 2. The confidence catalyst. Confidence is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Jealousy is a total turnoff. When she talks to other guys, avoid showing insecurity. Instead, project a calm and composed demeanor. This doesn't mean you don't care. It simply shows you trust yourself and your connection. This confidence sets you apart from the crowd of insecure guys, and she'll appreciate your strength and self-worth. Remember, confidence isn't about arrogance, it's about believing in yourself and your value. 3. The emotional roller coaster, but not the bad kind. Relationships thrive on emotional connection. Be unpredictable in a good way. Shower her with affection sometimes, and then pull back a bit, but not in a way that feels emotionally distant. This creates a healthy emotional dance that keeps her engaged. Think of it like a fun, playful chase. Sometimes you're the one chasing, sometimes she is. Don't be afraid to surprise her with a thoughtful gesture or a spontaneous date night. But remember, the goal is to create an exciting journey, not emotional whiplash. Balance is key. You want to keep her interested without leaving her feeling confused or unsure. 4. The selective supporter. Become her emotional anchor by truly listening to her deepest desires and fears. When she needs a shoulder to lean on, be there for her. Give her your undivided attention, show genuine empathy, and offer support when she needs it most. However, remember that balance is key. Don't be overly available. Maintain your own independence and passions. Pursue your own goals and interests. This selective support system makes you even more valuable because she knows you're not just a crutch, but someone who truly understands her and has a fulfilling life of your own. You're a partner, not a fixer. 5. The disappearing act, but not forever. Constant availability breeds complacency. Sometimes strategically disappear for a short while. This creates a sense of mystery and urgency. Remember, timing is crucial. Don't ghost her. Just a short, planned absence can make her miss your presence even more. Imagine yourself as a captivating sunset. You're beautiful and desirable, but you don't linger forever. This short absence makes her appreciate the time you spend together even more. Just remember, come back before she starts to worry. Bonus tip: the power of subtle compliments. Don't underestimate the power of a well-placed compliment. Forget generic compliments about her looks. Focus on the little things that you genuinely appreciate about her. Instead of saying, "You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen," try something like, "I love how your smile lights up the room." This kind of compliment feels more authentic and personal. It shows that you notice and appreciate the unique qualities that make her special. Another subtle approach is to compliment her achievements or efforts. For instance, saying, "I admire how dedicated you are to your work," highlights her skills and hard work, which can boost her confidence and make her feel valued. The key is to be specific and sincere. Subtle compliments don't come off as trying too hard, which can sometimes make the recipient feel uncomfortable or suspicious of your motives. Instead, they create a sense of genuine appreciation and respect. 6. Shared experiences. Building memories. That last, creating shared experiences is a fantastic way to build a strong connection and make lasting memories together. When you engage in unique and enjoyable activities, You create positive associations with those moments, making her think fondly of you whenever she recalls them. These experiences can be anything from trying a new restaurant, going on a spontaneous road trip, or even just having a fun night in cooking together. The key is to choose activities that you both enjoy and that allow you to bond over a shared interest or adventure. For example, if you both love the outdoors, plan a hiking trip to a beautiful location. The excitement of discovering a new place together and overcoming challenges along the way will create a sense of teamwork and closeness. Even simple activities like watching a movie series or working on a DIY project can become cherished memories. The emotional highs from these experiences, such as the joy of discovering something new or the satisfaction of completing a task together, will strengthen your bond. 7. Be her champion, supporting her ambitions. Being supportive of her ambitions is a crucial part of building a strong and lasting relationship. When you show genuine interest and encouragement in her goals and dreams, you demonstrate that you value her individuality and want to see her succeed. Start by listening to her talk about her aspirations and showing enthusiasm for her plans. Ask questions about her goals, offer constructive feedback when appropriate, and celebrate her achievements no matter how small. This support can be emotional, such as being there for her when she faces challenges, or practical, like helping her brainstorm ideas or offering resources that might help her. By being her cheerleader, you show that you believe in her abilities and are willing to stand by her as she pursues her dreams. This kind of support builds trust and respect as she sees that you care about her happiness and success as much as your own. Additionally, when she feels supported in her ambitions, she is likely to reciprocate, creating a mutual environment of growth and encouragement. Remember, these techniques are tools to spark a deeper connection, not a magic formula. True love requires genuine effort, respect, and open communication. Use these strategies ethically, and you'll be well on your way to building a relationship that goes beyond obsession. A relationship built on mutual respect, attraction, and emotional connection. So there you have it, love detectives. These are just a few psychological tools to spark a deeper connection and create a relationship that goes beyond fleeting infatuation. Remember, the key is to be yourself, be genuine in your interactions, and cultivate a healthy balance between passion and independence. Building a strong and lasting connection takes time and effort, but the rewards are truly priceless. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable, share your passions, and truly listen to hers. Thanks for joining us on the Mind Detective channel. Like this video and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of relationships. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and keep those minds sharp. And remember, love shouldn't be a game. It should be a journey of mutual discovery and growth.